Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Mitsubishi Lancer battery. First, confirm the correct battery group size and cold cranking amps. Then disconnect electronics and remove the negative cable to prevent shorts. Take note of terminal positions and any clips securing the battery tray. Keep the battery upright and lift it straight out to avoid acid spills. Inspect tray for corrosion and clean before fitting the new battery to ensure a reliable connection. Begin by opening the hood and locating the battery. Use gloves and glasses for protection. Disconnect the negative cable first, then the positive, and tuck cables away to avoid contact. Loosen and remove the hold-down clamp and any insulation or covers, checking for corrosion on terminals and tray. Carefully lift the battery straight out, keeping it upright, and place it on a protected surface for transport or disposal at a recycling center. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car videos. Quick recommendation: when you're under the hood, stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle that fits cup holders and keeps water cold for hours. It makes long projects more comfortable and less messy. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you like, and now let's get back to the video. Clean the tray and terminals with a baking soda and water mix if you see corrosion. Dry thoroughly. Place the replacement battery in the correct orientation, ensuring terminals match cable placement, then secure the hold-down clamp snugly but not over-tightened. Reattach the positive cable first, followed by the negative, and confirm all clamps are tight. Start the engine to verify proper installation and check for warning lights or abnormal sounds before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.